All right, well, we'll try it, haven't we? My, uh-oh. Maybe that'll work. Um, that's strange. Well, anyway, I'm here, guys. I don't. It doesn't look like Robbie and them are going to be here today, but hey, been an eventful week. We are. I'm heading down to. I'm probably heading down to Morong on January 2, and be gone for a few days. So I have a few things I need to deal with when I get there. So, um, Corey, yeah, well, I actually logged myself in on my cell phone just so I could talk, and I'm assuming you guys can hear me. If you could confirm that, would be great. But I'm assuming you should at this point. Um, so just let me know if you see me loud and clear. Okay, so that's a good thing. How is it back home in the U.S.? Um, everything is like it was last week, but we haven't seen the president move out of the office yet. I wonder when they're going to invoke the 25th on that man. It's actually pretty sad to watch his news appearances. Yeah. Well, the snowy days, it's related to global warming. We get a little extra snow when it gets warm. So we have that also, right? Hello, Dan. Happy New Year. Who do we got here today? Mike, Corey, and I'm here, obviously. Steele is here. And I actually hope they don't, because the next in line may be much worse. Not to talk about the third in line, an 82-year-old hag, right? So I think I think she is 82 right now. Oh yeah, there you go. Florida's good. Mr. Barrett, are you back in Florida? Are you back in Florida now? You left Middle East? Yeah, that one is for sure, for sure. So I guess that would work right there, right? Yeah, you're right, Corey. We should have some um, reverse migration. Maybe the Americans start moving to Central America, and maybe we fix it up down there instead. At least those that have some common sense. Uh, okay, you did retire finally, huh? Retire finally. Well, that's good. That's good. That's good. Um, you could um, next time you get around to it, jump on over here to Philippines. So you're down in Florida right now, right? You guys got a house down there or whatever. Uh, so yeah, I saw that. I saw that on the news. It was snowing everywhere. I think we even had some snow back home in Stockholm in Europe a few days ago. I don't know if it's still on the ground, but yeah, congrats on retirement. Um, well deserved at your age. I think if I remember correctly, you're a couple of years older than me, so you did a long service. Yeah, yeah, you told me that you were building a new house down there in Florida, and that's uh, that's a good thing. That's a good thing. Yeah. So I don't know what's going on with my I don't know what's going on with my phones and everything, but I figured since I had already advertised it, I'll come on for a few minutes and wish everybody um, wish everybody a happy New Year. We're almost at that point now, so that'd be that'd be interesting to see what the next year will carry for us. Yeah, there was there's a blogger from that my wife talks to quite a bit. He's from Cebu, and he had his main house blown away in Cebu. So Cebu must have got hit pretty bad also. Um, I wasn't I wasn't sure there how hard they were hit, but something hit it. That's for sure. All right, so okay, yeah, you had some you had some injuries there in the Iraq War, wasn't it? Just to shoot trees down. Yeah. So I have friends that lives around in that area down there in Bohol, around the island of Bohol, and I think a few other places. And the worst part, from what I understand, is the lack of drinking water. In many of these small and remote islands, people don't even have drinking water, and we all know what that uh, would that be. Hey Dan, I don't know. I don't know if they were aware that we had the feed today or they were not. I did send them a link. They're not here. I I bet you, I bet you that Bill is actually working. He was saying they had to do some really serious shifts over Christmas and New Year for Amazon, and he glad he did it because they have, you know, holiday pay and double pay and whatnot. So he said he was going to do some of that, if I remember correctly. Um, yeah, wear two hearing aids. Okay, yeah, there was um, some some explosion that went off, right? Kill your ears. So anyway, I don't know if they're even going to be here today, but I figured I'd keep this one really short today. I got a few things I need to do. I got to run around and pack up stuff um, that I need to um, bring to Morong. We're working on our relicensing, and with all these COVID rules and everything that's going on for a resort to stay licensed. It's a nightmare. Uh, it's like a million different things you got to think of. Um, Tons of signs, tons of signage you need to have, and policies as far as check in, check out, um, sanitation, and all that got to be in place in the resorts. You also need to have actually need to dedicate a room for isolation room and all kinds of stuff. So we're working on all that to try to get that done. So we'll see. Okay, so Steele is set to relocate to Texas first week of February. Um, that's cool. Yeah, that's the only state I would move to, Texas or Florida. You know, if I ever came back there. Um, but under current circumstances, um, I think we're as good off here as anywhere else. So that's what I'm going to do. I'll hang here for a while. I have my I have my place here. So all right, guys, I'm going to cut this one short today. I'm a little tired, but well, still, that could be a good idea. I hear that Thailand has opened up a little bit, uh, and I hear good things about it. But we for sure don't know here. So yeah, everybody have an advanced Happy New Year. We're a day early, but I figured tomorrow everybody be too busy to even be here. So I wanted to say Happy New Year, and we'll see you all on the other side of this year. I don't know if next Thursday will be a live feed because I might be in Morong, and the internet down there is not the best. So um, yeah, and that's for sure. Um, let's hope this year be a little bit better than the last one, because the last one has been a little dreadful in my view, or last 2 years actually. But we can't complain. We move on, and we push forward with everything. So, all righty, guys. God bless everybody, and this was a short one. Bye bye.